Please introduce yourself, sir. Who are you?
Hello, my name is Mike. I'm actually Josh's father-in-law, and he's talked me into...
Who is Josh?
Josh is the owner of Shama Sandals, and he talked me into making, we call these plugs. They go through the bed of the sandal to hold the strapping on. So I've been doing it for 3.5 or 4 years. I don't know how many thousands I've made.
Take a guess.
Well, over 30,000, I would say.
30,000 plugs. That's a lot of plugs.
Maybe 40. Anyway. But anyway, Josh started with the initial machine. He made it himself. And between us, we've added a bunch of stuff, like the cooling system from this is actually from a sprayer, ant sprayer, or yeah, it was an ant sprayer, and I modified it to put water down to cool off the top of the plug. So when I used to do it for long periods of time, you'd lift it up, I'll show you in a minute, and the top would come off. So we came up with that. So we have this nylon strapping here. This isn't quite 1,000 yards here, because I couldn't put the whole roll on there. And I use about 5 inches each time I make one. And we have this device, fancy device over here, that cuts them to length. So anyway, I heat the nylon up. I have the cutter. I turn that on. So I just heat this up, and then I just mold it with this punch here. And I cool it down, pull it up, bring it over here, and just cut it to length. And I trim them off. Oops, I had it backwards.
Alright, so this is like a box of, or bag of 500?
Correct.
So each bag here is 500. This huge thing is just full of plugs that Mike has made. And back behind it, let's see if we can get in there. There's tons and tons of bags of plugs.
Yeah, one step at a time.
Yeah.
I have a nice view outside. In the winter, I shut the door and have a little heater in here. So, my little pleasure dome. I listen to books on tape. Talk to myself.
What's your motto, Mike?
Keep on plugging, I guess.
All right, Mike. Well, thank you for showing us the plugs.
You're welcome.